Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the image and a new text layer. Open Picsart and import your photo now. Once loaded, tap the text tool and type your phrase. Choose a font that matches the mood because font choice sets tone. Make size and color adjustments immediately so you can see contrast against the background and set opacity between 0, 5 and 1. 0 to preview blending. If your text reads poorly, change color or add a shadow. Do that right away to keep momentum. Now refine. Apply style effects so the text integrates with the photo. Use shadow, outline, or glow and tweak the X/Y offset to ground the text. Shadows add depth. Once done, convert text to a mask if you want the image to show through. Use the eraser brush on the mask to reveal parts of the background, creating a cut-in effect. Make sure layer order is correct. Move text above foreground elements or below overlays, and lock layers when you're satisfied to avoid accidental edits. Finish by exporting with the right format. Choose PNG if you need transparency or JPG for smaller size. Before export, preview at 100% zoom to confirm readability. If text blurs, increase stroke or contrast, or nudge size slightly. Once done, tap Save and select Resolution. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use Undo to step back, close and reopen Picsart to clear a glitch, or re-import the original image and reapply the final layer. You'll recover faster that way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.